Buckle up, Utah dealers, it's renewal time. Get ready to gear up for an exciting journey. Hey, Utah car dealers, Jonathan here, and guess what? It's that time of the year again. Time to renew those dealer licenses. Mark your calendars and set your reminders. I know, paperwork isn't as fun as racing in a brand new Lambo, but hey, it's a necessary step. So trust me, this is gonna be a breeze. With the right preparation, you'll be done in no time. We're talking smooth sailing, folks. Like cruising down a road with nothing but green lights. First things first, you have to remember, it's the law. Gotta keep everything above board, right? No shortcuts here. Plus, you wouldn't want anything slowing down your business. Imagine the chaos. We're talking about keeping those sales floors buzzing. Now let's talk deadlines. You've got until June 30th. That's your last day to renew your dealer license. That might seem like a long way off, but why wait? Get ahead of the game. Get it done early, avoid the stress. Trust me, future you will thank you. Are you ready to make this renewal process as smooth as a freshly paved highway? Let's dive in and get started. Alright, let's talk Easy MVD. This, my friends, is your secret weapon. It's the online dealer license renewal course that makes renewing your license easier than parallel parking a Mini Cooper. Seriously, it's that simple. Imagine this. You can complete the entire renewal process online. No need to trek down to an office. Do it from your desk, your couch, even from the driver's seat. Just kidding. Maybe wait until you've parked. And the best part? It's self-paced. Take your time, review the material, and complete it at your own speed. No pressure, just pure convenience. You're in the driver's seat. Easy MVED is like having a personal assistant for your license renewal. It's there to guide you every step of the way, making the process smooth, efficient, and dare I say, enjoyable? Okay, maybe not enjoyable, but definitely painless. Picture this, sipping your morning coffee or cuddling with your pet while renewing your license. You can even do it in your pajamas. No dress code required. And if you need help, your friends or family can be right there with you. Easy MVED makes the whole process a breeze, so you can focus on what really matters. Say goodbye to long lines and hello to more free time. Renew your license the easy way with Easy MVD. You can find the link to Easy MVD's dealer license renewal course in the video description. Now let's talk about that June 30th deadline. It's like the checkered flag at the end of a race. You're speeding towards the finish line, but you gotta make sure you cross it before time runs out. Remember, procrastination is a slippery slope. 1 minute you're saying, I've got plenty of time, and the next you're scrambling to meet the deadline. Don't let that be you. Think of it this way. The sooner you renew, the sooner you can get back to doing what you love. Selling cars, making deals, and keeping those customers happy. So set a reminder, mark your calendar, do whatever you've got to do. Just make sure you cross that finish line before June 30th. Section 4. All-American Bonds and Insurance. Your one-stop shop. Hold on to your hats, folks, because I've got another game changer for you. All-American Bonds and Insurance. They're like the pit crew for your license renewal, making sure you've got everything you need to cross that finish line in first place. Imagine having a team of experts who know exactly what you need and when you need it. They work tirelessly behind the scenes so you can focus on what you do best, selling cars and keeping your customers happy. We're talking surety bonds, garage liability insurance, the whole 9 yards. Whether it's ensuring your dealership is fully compliant or protecting your business from unforeseen liabilities, they've got you covered. And the best part? You can bundle it all together with your license renewal. Just go to www.quickerbonds.com to save on your dealer bond and garage liability insurance. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that all your essential documents are handled in one go. Talk about convenience. No need to shop around, no need for multiple calls and emails. Everything you need is just a phone call or a click away. All American Bonds and Insurance makes it easy to get everything you need, all in one place. Their streamlined process ensures that you save time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. It's like a drive-through for your insurance needs. Quick, efficient, and hassle-free. Just drive up, get what you need, and be on your way. So, why juggle multiple tasks when you can streamline the entire process? With everything handled in one place, you can focus on what truly matters, your customers and your business. All American Bonds and Insurance has your back, making sure you're covered from every angle. From start to finish, they ensure that your dealership runs smoothly and efficiently, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. You can find the link to apply for your dealer bond and garage liability insurance in the video description. Section 5. Early bird gets the benefits. Hey there, Utah car dealers. Let's talk about the perks of renewing your dealer license early. We all know that procrastination can lead to unnecessary stress. But did you know that renewing your license ahead of time can actually save you money? That's right. Easy MVED offers early bird discounts, which means you can keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. But that's not all. Renewing early gives you ample time to address any potential issues that might come up. Whether it's a missing document or a question about compliance, you'll have the time to sort it out without the last-minute scramble. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that everything is handled well before the deadline. No rushing, no stress, just smooth sailing. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. By renewing early, you can avoid the peak times when everyone else is trying to get their renewals done. This means faster processing times and a much smoother experience overall. Plus, you'll have more time to focus on what truly matters, serving your customers and growing your business. So, why wait until the last minute? Take advantage of the early renewal benefits and set yourself up for success. Not only will you save money and reduce stress, but you'll also ensure that your dealership continues to run smoothly without any hiccups. It's a win-win situation. Remember, the early bird gets the benefits. Renew your license early, enjoy the discounts, and keep your dealership running like a well-oiled machine. You've got this, Utah dealers. Section 7. Step-by-step online renewal guide. Navigating the online renewal system can be a breeze if you know what to look out for. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, head over to the MVED website and log in with your dealer credentials. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Make sure to have your dealer number handy. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard. Click on Renew License to get started. The system will guide you through a series of forms where you'll need to input your business information, upload necessary documents, and confirm your details. Pro tip: double-check your document uploads to ensure they're clear and legible. Blurry or incomplete documents can cause delays in your renewal process. Next, you'll be prompted to pay the renewal fee. You can do this via credit card or electronic check. Make sure to keep a copy of your payment receipt for your records. After you've completed the payment, the system will give you a confirmation screen. This is your proof that the renewal is in process. You'll also receive a confirmation email. Common issues? No problem. If you encounter any errors, such as trouble logging in or issues with document uploads, the MVED help desk is just a click away. Simply click on the help icon on the dashboard, and you'll find FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information for customer support. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time you have to resolve any issues that might pop up. So don't wait until the last minute. Renew your license early and enjoy a stress-free experience. And there you have it, Utah dealers. A simple, step-by-step guide to renewing your license online. Follow these steps, and you'll be back on the road to success in no time. Section 5. Recapping the important points. There you have it, Utah car dealers. Renewing your license doesn't have to be a drag. With easy MVED and all-American bonds and insurance, it's a smooth ride all the way to the finish line. Remember, take your dealer license renewal course online through the Easy MVD. It's convenient, self-paced, and stress-free. Don't wait until the last minute. Mark your calendar for June 30th and get it done early. Bundle your surety bonds and insurance with all-American bonds and insurance for a hassle-free experience. Remember, you can find the links to Easy MVD and all-American bonds and insurance in the video description. And hey, while you're at it, spread the word. Share this valuable information with your fellow car dealers. Let's make this the easiest and most successful renewal season yet. Keep those engines revving, Utah.